This is the weekly weather briefing for September 16th, 2013. My name is Greg Cook. I am a forecaster with the National Weather Service office in Spokane, Washington. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website periodically this week for the most updated forecast. A big weather pattern change arrived with a strong cold front last night. That was Sunday night. The remainder of this week will be much cooler than last week. Temperatures are expected to be at or below average for the week. A weather system on Tuesday will bring a good chance for showers and isolated thunderstorms. A few showers will linger into Wednesday, but in general we anticipate a drying trend Wednesday and Thursday. Low temperatures around midweek will be chillier than we have experienced in quite some time. Friday should be dry and seasonably warm ahead of a cold front that will bring increasing chances for rain this weekend. The weather pattern Wednesday through Sunday was quite extraordinary meteorologically. Over 60 record highs were established in eastern Washington and the Idaho Panhandle during that 5-day stretch. Friday, September 13th, was particularly noteworthy with well over 20 high temperature records broken. Some of the hottest weather occurred in central Washington. Ephrata has one of the more reliable climate databases in central Washington, and for 4 consecutive days, records were set at Ephrata. The temperature of 98 degrees on the 13th was the hottest temperature on record this late in the year in Ephrata's database. This is what the weather pattern looked like during the 5-day period of record heat. A large center of high pressure became anchored over the inland northwest. Hot air extended from the desert southwest into southern British Columbia, and the jet stream was displaced well north of the Canadian border. The late summer heat wave ended abruptly last night with the arrival of a strong cold front. For the remainder of this week, the jet stream will be further south. Look for cooler and showery conditions, especially Tuesday and Tuesday night. The hot air mass responsible for our record heat will be pushed into the central United States. Thunderstorms are in the forecast Tuesday and Tuesday evening, but we are not expecting a repeat of the severe storms we experienced Sunday night. Tuesday will be much cooler, the atmosphere not nearly as volatile. Look for isolated thunderstorms embedded within rain showers during the afternoon and evening. The threat for strong wind gusts and hail is low. Showers and thunderstorms will be wet, meaning they will produce enough rain that the threat of new wildfires should be low. And most importantly, the threat for heavy rain over the Wenatchee burn scars will be low as well. The arrival of a cooler air mass clearing skies during the middle of the week will produce chilly nights Tuesday night and Wednesday night. At this time, early Thursday morning looks to be the coolest morning of the week. The sheltered valleys in northeast Washington and north Idaho will have a good shot at dipping into the 30s. It is not out of the question that some spots around Deer Park, Priest Lake, and Springdale could experience a frost. In summary, it is time to say goodbye to summer and hello to fall. The weather this week looks much more typical of mid-September than we have experienced recently. Tuesday will be showery with isolated thunderstorms. Wednesday and Thursday will be crisp and cool in the mornings. And we will be watching a slow-moving cold front for next weekend. At this time, it does not look like a heavy rain producer. The weekend cold front will likely bring another shot of cooler weather and a chance for some light rain. Taking a look at the extended forecast from the Climate Prediction Center shows a good chance for wetter than normal conditions next week and temperatures at or below average. This outlook is valid for September 24th through the 30th. Here's how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service. Go to our website at weather.gov/Spokane or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. As always, our forecasts are available 24 hours a day on NOAA Weather Radio. Thank you for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.